That looks painful. This dude looks a little off. Toilet 2. Spent more time than I would like to admit trying to figure out what range aid was. Spider-Man has changed a bit. This nice pen my friend gave to me, but it's impossible to write with this thing. Big head, small body. Is the peephole entirely necessary? Watermelon arms guy. Might as well face it. I can't stand looking at this tree in the Great Wolf Lodge. Who decided this was the best way to present this info? This bold color design. Shin Shredder 3000. Aren't security cameras supposed to be spread out? This door. This is Patrick from SpongeBob. Poster at my work, future advice, hire a graphic designer. It doesn't even look comfortable. The shadows on this bowl are very accurate. Speed limit is strictly enforced in this town. Nice water balloon. An ad I found on Facebook. For the hot summer days. My stove's heater is off center. Bought some new light bulbs and somehow swapped out their old bulbs with the new LED ones that were supposed to be in the package. If you do this, you're the worst kind of person. Not exactly the color pattern you want to see in a bathroom. The other one is supposed to say sell to spell out diesel, but they only showed off the right one. So which eye did he injure? Do not I'm disturb gaming. The parking lot my apartment complex painted was in the wrong order. How can I use this hammer? Tasty eye chillilla. Be strong brave you. This dry cleaners services list. At least they don't have to worry about someone cutting their lock. It may be fun to watch people trying to cross the yard. Braylon hot metal. Nerf bullet refill boxes. Put up the sign. Picked these stickers up last week at a conference. Looks like someone was too lazy to change the template when they placed the order. To put the right color for France. They didn't Photoshop the hand all the way. How does this even happen? Why is this so funny but scary at the same time? Iron Man 4. How my school decided to fix a Chromebook. I did not know, thanks. Nightmare fuel flower in a kid's book. Me and the Avengers. Has no one noticed that the number of boat don't match? My old medication versus my new one. A work of genius indeed. The pillar in the middle is electricity pole. This box of face wash puts the face on two different sides of the box. The fools. I don't think a bird can carry a Samsung tablet. I don't, that's how languages work. Literal hell for budget flyers. Standing seats. My dad got this box of candy bars. This loan company named DY Capital literally stole HP's logo and flipped it upside down. No changes made whatsoever. The local bakery only puts seeds on the visible part of the bread. Brand new vitamin bottle, not even 25% full. Don't be fooled. The cost on the bottom is the actual price of gas. The one on top is the price of a car wash after you get gas, I believe. Designed to fool new drivers. It rained a little bit in Hungary yesterday. A bird died and fell into my buddy's bowl of yogurt. Keys? Check. Wallet? Check. Deer strapped in the passenger seat? Check. Hard to believe someone could pull off that escape on their own. Pickle and vanilla ice cream. Now that's a trustworthy bike lock. Enough to make Gordon Ramsay's head spin. There's no right answer. This apartment building's security is top notch. Anyone wants a back scratch? Your silver platter entree, sir. The amount of mayflies swarming the door of my hotel. Rough night. Smoker versus non-smoker. You see it all in upstate New York. Exact solution.